Good morning from Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It's a little bit after 6 a.m. and today I'm out on the riverside. I'm going to take you for a bit of a walk along here and show you what the city looks like as it's waking up. I get an opinion that Phnom Penh is a city for early mornings and late nights and hiding during the hot hours of the day. Surprisingly, there's quite a few locals around, people getting out early, doing Tai Chi, stretching, using the gym equipment. Lots of locals off to work at this hour of the morning. I wasn't quite sure how busy or how quiet it would have been out here, but it's fairly busy. I've got to say the feel of a morning is very different once you get away from the afternoon heat and the evening chaos. Some of the street vendors are already setting up their carts. I've seen them everywhere. You might be able to find someone selling an iced coffee or a cold drink. Not everything's opened yet. Still a lot of the shops are closed being so early. But if you're craving breakfast, you'll certainly be able to find some sort of street food at this hour of the day. It's been 6 years since I was last in Phnom Penh. I was here in 2019. And at that stage, I was actually pretty sick. We'd been in Cambodia for a few weeks. We'd been in Siem Reap and Battambang. And when I was in Battambang, I woke up one night with an excruciating pain. And apparently, I had a kidney stone. So I spent some time at a hospital in Battambang. Thought I'd got over it. We came here to Phnom Penh. We were down here by getting tea one night and I felt it again. And off I went to a hospital here in Phnom Penh. So actually, the hospital was really good and really clean. It was a Western hospital. Cost a bit of money, but that's why we all have travel insurance. So it's really good to actually get out here in the morning and have a look around. I guess the big question is, when you're out early in the morning in a city, does it feel safe? Actually, it feels pretty safe here, I would think. There's lots of people about. There's no real security presence, but it's just really locals out and about, doing exercises, walking, grabbing meals, on their way to work. Yeah, no, it's really good. It's really nice. Like I said, it's cool at this time of day. You're able to walk around easy. I'll be doing this again tomorrow morning. This is a side of Phnom Penh that not too many visitors get to see. People on holidays normally spend their mornings lazing around in bed. I'm a big fan of getting up early in the morning. I've explored cities like Paris, Rome, Melbourne, Ho Chi Minh City early in the morning, and I find it a real revelation. A lot of it gives you a better insight into what the real people in town are like. So the big question is, was I able to find a coffee at this time of morning? 6:30, Cafe Amazon is open. I just ordered myself a medium iced cappuccino because it's pretty hot out there, even at this hour of the day. So I hope you enjoyed my look this morning at the riverside area of Phnom Penh. I'm a big YouTube watcher as well as YouTube maker, and all I ever see when I'm looking at videos in Phnom Penh is people walking around on the riverside at night time. So I hope this gives you a bit better perspective and what it's actually like of a morning. Feel free to like, subscribe, tell people about our channel. That'd be really nice. Anyway, until the next video, I'm Mark. Bye.